Hey y'all. Alright, so I'm back opening my gifts of what I got for Christmas. So yeah, let's just get right into it. Whew. So y'all, oh, I got this big box. Alright, let's see. And this is part of it too. Alright. Let's see what it says. Okay. To me from Dad. Okay, so this is from my dad, y'all. So he got me some Bath and Body Works. Oil mix. Yes, honey. It's an oil mix, some foam bath wash, and some body lotion. So he got me that. Okay. And he also got me a card. That's from my dad. Okay. This I got from my mama. So, what was in this was a necklace. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's a butterfly necklace. I got that from my mama. Okay. Oh, Jesus. All right. This is the coat I showed y'all yesterday that I got for myself. What else I get? I got this from my mama. Zeo-Ran. I got another pack of Zeo-Ran from my mama. I got Gain Softness. Okay. What else I got? Oh, yes, honey. I got Dove. Okay, that's the only kind of soap I will use. Alright, and I got Gain dish detergent. And oh, I got trash bags, y'all. Yes, honey. I needed this. I also got more soap. Dove. And I got some dish detergent. I got toothpaste. And I got more soap. Now this is my favorite kind, y'all. Oh, it smells good. It's shea butter. This is my favorite kind. That's the kind I normally, will use. And I also got Victoria's Secret. I like this little bag, y'all. Not even gonna stunt. Yep, I got this. Okay. And that was from my mama. Thank you, Mom. I love you. Mwah. All right. Let's see what else did I get. This is from my grandma and my granddaddy. So I got Fort set. Well, flatware set. That's what they call it. Yeah, I needed this, honey, because, oh, Lord, yes. Okay. I got, my dish set. I need this for when I make casserole. I got that. Oh, and I also have a card, and I got some money, and it says season greetings, warmest greetings of the season from our home to yours. Love you, Grandma and Grandpa. So that's from my grandma and my granddaddy. Oh, one more thing, y'all. I forgot. Let me see. Hold on, y'all. I gotta tell y'all one more thing. Whew. Oh, Lord. Oh, if I can get up. Oh. So, my mom gave me these. So, y'all. Whew. Thank God for her, okay? Because, baby, it's going to be a while before I run out of these, okay? But, yes, y'all, that's all that I got for Christmas. And I am very grateful. I am very thankful. Like I said, I really enjoyed my Christmas this year. I enjoy my Christmas every year. But I'm definitely truly blessed, and I want to thank God first for allowing me to see this day, to embrace this with family and friends. So yeah, that's all I got, y'all. Um, so I'm gonna be putting this stuff to use because I really got I really got everything that I needed that I needed for Christmas, okay? Like I need it. But like I said, I'm very thankful. Um I'm very thankful for the gifts, you know, the cards, the the texts, the calls. I'm really thankful because y'all, without God, what will we do? What will we do? So I just wanted to get up here and I wanted to share with y'all what I got for Christmas. I pray y'all had a good Christmas. I pray y'all had a blessed Christmas, and always keep God first. Just know God is in control with everything, and that things are gonna get better. God will never leave your side. So yeah, just stay strong, y'all. Stay strong, stay prayed up, and don't let the devil get you down, because it's possible. It's very possible. But I told myself I refuse to be down. Okay, I refuse. I am beyond blessed, and all this happened because of the Lord will. So I wouldn't dare get up here and not give him credit. You know what I'm saying? So, but anyway, y'all, if y'all enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and share my video, and I'll get back with y'all on the next video. All right, bye.